how to unmute on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unmute on tweets. So first thing, you can go to your tweets, click on your profile, and here guys, all you need to do is click on this icon at the top, this one, and all you need to do is tap on it and click on muted. So here guys, you will find muted accounts. All you need to do is click on unmute, and this is it guys, easy and quick. This is how you unmute on tweets. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.